Today's contractors demand better performance on the job site. Koblenz Contractor Series wet-dry blow vacuums are designed by and built for professional contractors, delivering upon the promise of unparalleled suction performance, supported by innovative designs throughout the vac and accessories that truly help contractors work faster, easier, quieter, and cleaner on the job site. Koblenz powerful motors, advanced airflow design technology, and accessories work in harmony to deliver extreme suction power. It's no wonder why Koblenz Contractor Series has been awarded the industry expert's top Gold Innovation Award for wet-dry blow vacuums.